Hi everyone, my name is Govind. I am currently working as a data analyst at Ad and Analytics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can pivot your data in SQL Server. So basically, I'm having here employee salary table. You can see below I'm having three columns: employee ID, salary component type, and value. The requirement is to pivot this data. Basically, pivot means to convert the values of the rows into the columns. If I show you more clearly, so here in my Excel file you can see the same table: employee ID, salary component type, and value. Okay, so here you can see uh, this is the pivoted data, I can say, wherein the rows value in the salary component type column, like salary, bonus, hike percent, these are now the separate column, right? And then here in rows we have the values for those columns respectively. So this is the pivoting, and I'm going to tell you how you can implement it in SQL Server. So we do have a pivot function in SQL that can directly do the task, but I'm gonna share some another way without using the inbuilt function. So here I'm gonna write select emp underscore id, and here I can use case statement. So case, when I can say salary component type is equal to salary, then value. Okay, and that's it. And as I can give here the column name, which is salary, comma, I will make another column here. I'm gonna copy this and I'll make another one for bonus, and I'll name this column as bonus, and one for, just a minute, one for hike percent. Okay, and this data I will get from employee salary column. Okay, and let's run this query. So okay, so the example, like the benefit of doing using the case statement is that we get the separate column, and I am just getting those values. If in a first row salary is there, then bonus and hike is null, right? If bonus is there, then salary and hike is null, right? So you can see there is a repetition of the employee ID, right? Because we are using three different case statement, right? Further, what we can do, we can wrap this into the sum function, because here I am doing aggregation. Just a minute. And I can use group by emp id. So the close is here, like we have to close the bracket here. Okay, now you can see my data is pivoted. I have used group by here because when we group by employee ID. So the three rows that I am getting for one employee, it is grouped into a single row, and I am getting salary, bonus and hike as a separate column. So you can follow this approach if you have to pivot your data in SQL Server. That's all about this video. If you are having any doubts, so do let me know into the comment section and follow for more insights. Thank you.